Listen, alright, so I put a tier list and Dan and I over 100 Disney birds. So wait, top classic, 100 Disney birds. And you can rank them too, along with us.
And because it's Thanksgiving, not only am I going to rank them, I'm also going to take into account which one of them I'd like to eat.
That's right. S-Class is the iconic birds, though. So we have all these different kinds of birds, though, so that we have here, though. A-Class, they wish they were in the AM tier, though. So we're going to be putting them in there. I accept them. Yeah. C-Class, haven't seen it. That I'm just like, they're not me. D-Class, DE. It's almost Thanksgiving also. And we're going to see which ones, all these birds, and figure out Inigo. And that is just the worst birds. Abby Mauler, I haven't seen it either. C-Class, it looks like Goofy, but it's a bird. Abigail and Amelia, they are definitely eatable. 2 goose, better than 1 geese. These 2 geeses. The Aladale rooster, like, yeah, I think you can eat a rooster. Yeah. Oh, the Eric Kwan bird. This is really the most annoying bird. Archimedes, S-Class. Archimedes at the state. Lovable, Owl Companion. It's just like so smart, or it's so stupid. Like Becky from Finding Dory. So it's the stupidest bird. I wouldn't eat Becky though. Big Mama from Fox and the Hound. That movie's gonna make you cry. That movie is gonna make you cry. Yeah. A-Class. Birds that land on the beast. S-Class. The blue fairy as a pigeon. Japan is in the wild. S-Class. The blue bird from Snow White, though. Yeah. It hasn't co-opted them. S-Class. Iconic. Oh, Buckluck. I haven't seen it. I bet it's delicious. Ooh, like those vultures from Jungle Book. Oh, yeah. They are like a little fine, though. I'll just put them in D. Ooh, Chicken Little. I hadn't seen this. D. Absolutely not. Like, this is like some DJ Rex or something. For like this ride, though. Instead, we got this. You know what? I'm just gonna put it in D. I wouldn't eat it. Oh, the Cinderella birds, though. These 2 Cinderella birds. They are so basic. B class. Someone like had to animate those like fine things though, and they're making me so like, F class. Like those eels, I would eat them. I would eat it. I would eat that. The flamingo, that was S-Class. Daisy is so basic. B, she's so basic. Darkwing Duck. Let's Get Dangerous. Yes. Let's Get Dangerous. Debbie is not like... Debbie is... I haven't seen it though, so D class. Diablo. Diablo, Maleficent's bird. This or Maleficent. Raven. Ravens are actually kind of smart though, so S class. So like they're trying to find these two are literally finding a caterpillar for like the whole movie as Fox and the Hound. I would eat them. Dodo from when Dan was a kid, he thought like he was friends with those pirates that from Mary Poppins, so like fire at the cannon. A class. A class. Donald Duck. We don't need this. Donald Duck. Basic. They're good about both basic. They're truly mostly basic. They're the worst birds. They're the worst. They offer nothing. They always turret. All they do is run out. And they're so obsessed with this. Is that why, like, yeah. Is that why Disney fans really like them, no? Yeah. Alright, and we go to it. Okay, what's back? Alright. Ducky. Ducky from Ducky, Toy Story 4. To me. Yes. From all these stuff. In class, I actually like Ducky. The Dumbo Cruise. I don't like them very much at first. But the Fantasia Dubs, though. The Fantasia Dubs. S class. The Fearsome Five. S class. The Firebird from Fantasia 2000. Like, I don't know. Has anyone seen has anyone seen Fantasia 2000? I don't think so. Flit from Pocahontas. And D class. Like, the Vajuri and the people. This bird. Right? Including sometimes he's danced at this bird. A class. Remember actually the last time you watched Bambi? I don't know, when was the last time you watched Bambi? Nope. Remember to put in B. Goosey Lucy? I'm so happy that I've seen that. This guy's falling absolutely not. I'm so happy I didn't see Gobbler Mallow though. It's like to be like the female bro. A class. Hayabusa. Sean Yu's bird. I think we should set up Hey Hey with Becky from Finding Dory. They're just the stupidest ones. I mean, if Maui could eat them, I would eat them. So yeah, of all the pictures of Huey, Dewey, and Louie, why do we sew up this one? Why do we put them up this one? They're gonna go in B. It would have been A if it was a better picture though, but I am not happy with it. I was obsessed like with Iago, that he's like getting burnt like to this in the Latin TV show, and her friends like that. And it looks like we like a rotisserie chicken. And how could my brain not be in E? I would totally eat them. I'd totally Iago. Jose, the Three Caballeros. A class. Any of them. Kevin. There's not even like a single Kevin out there. But I have an uncle named Kevin though. Sorry that you're a big Kevin fan. Kevin's babies. It's like a grown size of a full turkey. I would eat it. Oh, the Kiss the Girl Flamingo, the Kiss the Girl Flamingos. I don't know. So B class. Cusco bird. Cusco bird is like, I don't know. It's like this is like redoing Iago D class. Lady Cluck, hello. Chicken for dinner. Launchpad McQuack. B class. Lucy the Goose. Lucy the Goose. Lucy the Goose. Lucy the Goose, alright. It's like so very bad. Like, I hadn't seen this. I hadn't even seen Aristocats. I'll just gonna put it in a B. Ludwig von Drake. Ludwig von Drake is like one of the goodest ones. Science teacher, S class. Madam Mim as a chicken, ready to be eaten. The ballet birds from Fantasia. There's like the millions of these, or whatever. It's ground though. Division matter, I don't know. F class. Major Turkey Lorky. Because this is really getting intense because I hadn't seen this. So C. The Marahoot. Rescuers Down Under. Here. E. It's Thanksgiving for days though. Yeah. I don't know the person. Maui as a hawk. I eat that. Cause I eat that bird. They're the worst birds. They're the worst. These ballet things, like the ballet birds. I don't like their designs though. It's creepy. But I don't like the but these like Major Turkey Lorky. I am getting so upset with it because I hadn't seen this. Good thing I didn't see. I'm so happy I didn't see Chicken Little. Like Lucy the Goosey Lucy, like absolutely not. The sky is falling, absolutely not. So yeah, that's 100% eaten. Those mine seagulls are just so annoying. They make animatronics of them. Like, it's rendering up for its own thing, though. Because you can hear it from everywhere. No. F.